So, creating realistic AI influencer videos has been a huge challenge, but not anymore. In this video, I'm going to share a complete workflow that not only keeps your character consistent, but also produces videos that are so realistic and expressive that nobody can tell they're AI generated. I'm genuinely excited, so let's jump right into the video. First of all, we need our source image. If you already have one, that's perfectly fine. But if you want to create one from scratch, this is the best way to do it. Start by going to SGen AI. The link will be in the description below. Click on the Tools section. Here, you'll see multiple models available, image models and video models. From here, select Nano Banana Pro. Next, head over to Pinterest and search for any model face. You'll find plenty of different faces and styles, so choose one based on your preference. In my case, I'll go with this image. Simply save it and return to SGen AI. Now, upload the image and type this prompt, customized to the facial features of the uploaded image. Generate a new face that looks different from the uploaded image, but still takes inspiration from it. Select your preferred aspect ratio, choose the maximum resolution, and hit Generate. Here are the results. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate until you get a face you like. I'll go with this one. Now that we have our base image, we can move on to the next step. The next step is video generation. Again, go to Pinterest and find a video you like. You can explore different categories such as product reviews, dancing videos, or lip sync videos. Choose any video that fits your vision. I'll be using this one. I can't play the full video here, but I'll show you some frames. What we need to do is extract the first frame of the video. Simply go to the initial frame and take a screenshot. Now go back to SGen AI, upload the screenshot, and also upload your influencer's base image. Once both images are uploaded, type this prompt, Image 2 posing and dressing like Image 1. Here, Image 2 is your influencer base image, and Image 1 is the reference image. Then hit Generate. This is the output. If you want to change the outfit or the environment, you can do that as well. It's completely up to you. In this case, I preferred this version. Now comes the most important part. Go to the video section and make sure to select Kling 2.6 motion control. This is where the magic happens. You'll see several AI video generators here, which is great. In the image section, upload the image you just generated. In the video section, upload your Pinterest reference video. Once both are uploaded, hit Generate. And here is the output. Just look at this. Can you tell it's AI generated? It perfectly copies the motion from the original video and applies it to our AI influencer image. The motion accuracy is so good that it's almost impossible to tell the difference. Even the expressions look incredibly natural. Now let me show you another example, but this time we'll change the environment and the character's appearance. Use this prompt, Image 1 standing at the same angle in a room like Image 2. This part is very important because we want the camera angle to remain the same. After that, you can add your own changes. In my case, I want a different jacket and a different hairstyle. Then hit Generate. Now we have a new hairstyle and outfit, but the angle remains consistent. Once again, go to the video section, select Kling 2.6 motion control, upload your images and video, and generate the result. Here is the output. Now tell me, how can you even tell what's AI and what's real? Just look at the expressions. This looks insanely realistic. And the best part is, our character is not a copy of the original video. We changed the hairstyle, outfit, and environment, making it completely unique. Here are a few more examples. By looking at these videos, you honestly can't tell that they're AI generated. The realism is on another level. So basically, we're combining simple tools like Nano Banana and Kling 2.6 motion control, but the results are absolutely mind-blowing. This is a simple yet powerful workflow for creating realistic AI influencer videos. Make sure to check out this AI. The link will be in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.